Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom cursors on Wix website. Let's get started. So in here, you can see my Wix website editor and I have added here a section. So click on this add elements right here, then click on the embed code until you can see the popular embeds right here. Then just drag this embed HTML to your actual website right here, or just click on this plus icon or to add this to your website. Now in here, this will actually open. Now on this, let's just type in here a code that we can use. So I will put this code in the description below. After that, just click on update in here. Once you have updated that, just close this and then just put this and resize it into the whole page of this section that we have created. Now you can actually just double check if you have actually put in the code. So as you can see, I've put in the code. Now I can do next, just click on publish right here, and then this will publish the changes on my website. Now click on view site, and then this will load my actual website. So from in here, it will actually load in vendor for a bit in order to show us the full extent of it. Now once we head over in here, we should be able to see some new options or some new cursor effects in here. However, if this doesn't happen, what you can do next is to make sure that you have inputted the right code right here, or for some reasons it just lacks for a bit more, so you should just need to refresh the site and then wait for a little more for this effect in order to head over and take changes for this website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, if you leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.